Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Huh? Okay. Close to you. See where that bike path curves there? I skipped that part. So I'm going that way, I go in that direction. So I don't go that direction, I go this direction. So when I come down, and then when I come back, I do the same thing. La, da. Oh, this is a stop sign. Stop, 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 stop. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we love a Sunday. We love a Sunday morning coming down. Look how there's not any cars. Oh, can I work every Saturday night, please? Like, it's just, want to be outside with other people. Might as well be at work. Might as well be making money instead of spending money. Oh, this is the Lafitte Greenway. Hey, look how green it is. All of the different kinds of weeds that grow indigenously in where is this? Louisiana, New Orleans, Louisiana. These houses are new. This is the new Greenway. And curtain.